All right, so what I'm gonna do today is organize this little office area. It's kind of cluttery. And then I got this old desk that I'm just going to replace. I already took my old gaming chair and I replaced it with this secret lab chair, which is really nice. But again, I'm gonna have to organize this new table.
All right, so looking as part of my office remodel here, I decided I needed a new desk. I couldn't find one I liked, so we decided to buy a piece of wood that's 30 by 70 inches long, and we decided that we will stain that and buy some legs off Amazon and make it into a nice little desk.
All right, so I got this desk semi put together. I got a lot of wires there, so I brought some clips and stuff from Amazon to see if I can get that more organized. I also got this little credenza that I put behind the desk where I can actually store some of this stuff over here to get all this, cleaned up a little bit. All right, so I got this under the desk cable tray to put my power strip in. The only thing is that it's actually a little bit too wide, so I'm just gonna run uptown and pick up a one that will actually fit. All right, so I got the new power strip and it fits in. I'm just gonna mount it up there underneath the desk. All right, so I got that mounted. I just gotta plug everything in and then get some clips to clip this over here. That way the wires be a little bit more organized. All right, so I bought this cable organizer. So I got like these tubes to hide the cable. I got some wraps so I can wrap it around the legs. And then I got these different clips here and here that we can set there and use to clip the wires to the desk just to make them, close to it for they're not hanging everywhere. And then I got these little things where I can like throw the USB cables or the mouse cables in just to make the desk look a little bit cleaner. So let me hook all this up and see what it looks like. All right, so here's the office after I got everything cleaned up. And if we noticed, these wires look a lot better. Now, I probably could have drilled some holes through the desk and kind of clean that up if I put my computer on the ground too, but I didn't want to do that. So using those clips and everything, I got them all clipped down here. And this is pretty much the best I can do with the wires up here. I think it's a lot better improvement than what it was before. And then over here, I kind of rearranged some things where they look a lot nicer. And then this is the cadenza that I put together, and the it looks nice. I like it, but it's really painful to put together a lot of pieces to it for what it is. But overall, I'm happy with it. Like I said, it's just painful to put together. And then that's it. So, back here, this is kind of one last glance over. Looks a lot nicer than it did. Coming from this way, we see we have a nice big desk, a lot of space. So it's overall, I'm really happy with the setup.